Do you wake up with sore teeth or jaw pain? You could be grinding your teeth at night, and it might be linked to your airway. Teeth grinding or bruxism is often a sign of sleep-disordered breathing. When your airway is restricted, your body compensates by clenching the jaw to keep it open. At Kell Dental Arts, we don't just give you a night guard, we find the root cause and offer airway-focused solutions to protect your teeth and improve your sleep. I'm Dr. David Kell with Kell Dental Arts. If you're grinding your teeth, let's explore the airway connection and get you real relief. Book a consultation today.